Have you ever finished a bag of chips before Netflix and wondered where it all went? Or eaten a meal so fast you barely tasted it? I ate on autopilot, disconnected from my food and body. But then I discovered mindful eating, a science-backed practice that completely transformed my relationship with food, improved my digestion, and helped me make healthier choices without dieting. Today, I'm sharing the mindful eating secrets that changed everything for me and could be the missing link in your wellness journey. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video that could change your health. Our community is growing fast, and I want you to be part of it. In today's fast-paced world, we've lost the art of being present with our food. We eat while working, scrolling, or watching TV, fueling up without truly enjoying. But what if reconnecting with your meals could unlock better health, more energy, and a positive body image? Let's dive into mindful eating, the practice that's changing lives. Can you remember what you ate for breakfast today and how it tasted? Most of us can't. We're living in a mindless eating epidemic, making over 200 food decisions daily, often without awareness. I was the ultimate mindless eater: lunch at my desk, dinner in front of the TV, snacks in the car. I ate when stressed and not hungry, often until I was uncomfortably full. The result? Poor digestion, energy crashes, and a constant struggle with my weight. Mindless snacking and emotional eating are common, leading to weight gain, digestive issues, and nutrient deficiencies. My turning point came when I couldn't remember last night's dinner, not because of my memory, but because I was so disconnected from the experience. Mindful eating means paying full attention to your meals, engaging your senses, noticing hunger cues, and being present. Key mindful eating techniques. Savor each bite, notice flavors, textures, and aromas. Eat slowly and without distractions. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Choose foods that nourish and satisfy you. Rooted in Buddhist tradition and backed by research from Harvard and UC, mindful eating helps with weight management, reduces binge eating, improves digestion, and supports chronic disease management. Most importantly, it fosters a positive, guilt-free relationship with food. When I started mindful eating, I enjoyed food more than ever. My morning coffee tasted richer, apples had new textures, and meals became experiences. Physically, my digestion improved, bloating decreased, and my energy stabilized. I naturally made healthier choices, not from restriction, but from awareness. I felt satisfied with less food and stopped eating when comfortably full. Emotionally, I recognized when I was eating out of stress or boredom, not hunger. This awareness gave me the power to pause and choose a healthier response. Others have experienced similar transformations, overcoming binge eating, developing body confidence, and building a more intuitive relationship with food. Science shows mindful eating activates the rest and digest system, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Eating while stressed or distracted does the opposite. Studies in the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics and the Journal of Obesity show mindful eating leads to weight loss, reduced binge eating, and better long-term results than traditional diets. Brain scans reveal mindful eating boosts self-control and reduces impulsive eating by activating the prefrontal cortex. This helps you make conscious food choices and break unhealthy patterns. Ready to try mindful eating? Start with one mindful meal or snack a day. Tips to get started. Eat without distractions: no phone, TV, or a laptop. Use your 5 senses. Notice how your food looks, smells, feels, sounds, and tastes. Make meals last at least 20 minutes. Chew slowly and put utensils down between bites. Use a hunger fullness scale, 1 to 10, to guide when to start and stop eating. Practice gratitude before meals. Be gentle with yourself. Mindful eating is a practice, not a diet. Remember, progress over perfection. Mindful eating isn't about restriction. It's about awareness, enjoyment, and honoring your body's wisdom. This practice can transform your health, relationship with food, and overall happiness. Eating is emotional and social. By bringing awareness to your meals, you can heal your relationship with food and yourself. Mindful eating is accessible to everyone, no special tools or diets required. If this video inspired you, hit the like button. It helps more people discover mindful eating. Also, share this with a friend who struggles with food or body image. Comment below. Have you tried mindful eating? What challenges or wins have you experienced? Which tip will you try first? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss next week's video on intuitive eating, the perfect next step in your wellness journey. Thanks for watching. Remember, small changes in awareness can lead to significant transformations. See you next time.